Hello friends, myself Rohit. Today I will discuss electronic switching system important question series part 3. So let's start my first question. Phase jitter is generated by the additive noise on a dash sinusoidal wave. So the right answer is continuous. Option E is the correct. Next question. What is the purpose of the pulse stuffing in an asynchronous multiplexing? So the right answer is removal and slip of the need for the clock synchronization, usability of the output channel with the higher rate and then input, creation of timing adjustment. So the right answer is all of the above. Option D is the correct. In a digital network synchronization, which approach indicate the cost burden carrying of high accurate and the redundant timing source by means smaller switching nodes? So the right answer is this question is option D, asynchronous network. Next question. If the desired connection has a low completion or probability, which type of flow control technique is used for the eliminating the capture of common resources? So the right answer is centralized connection control. Option D is the correct. Next question. In a network management, managing the rate or at which the traffic enters or network is known as. So the right answer is flow control. Which among the following can be adopted as the dedicated path between the source and destination in a circuit switching? So the right answer is option number D, all of the above. The transfer of the message from node to another by means of store and forward switching network is known as. So the right answer is hop. Is calling hop. Option C is the correct. Next question. Consider the statement given below, which among them represent the operation step executed in the datagram packet switching network? So the right answer is transmission of short message of 1 or 2 packet length. So the right answer is option number D is correct. Next question. In a protocol data units PDU, where do the data get interchanged? So the right answer is between the peer entities. Between the peer entities, option number A. Which type of framing technique reduces the problem of synchronization of the receiver? So the right answer is character stuffing is the correct phenomena. Option B is the correct. If more number of cells are necessary in a frequency reuse or distance, then the segmentation of dualization technique get. So the right answer is option number A, united. Next question. Which handoff stage deal the relinquishment of the unnecessary frequency channel by keeping availability for the other user? So the right answer is called completion. Option number D is correct. Which among the following represent the flawless handoff with the number of perceivable interruption of service? So the right answer is soft handoff. Option B is the correct. Next question. In a cellular telephone network, which component control the switching between the public wireless telephone network and the base station of cell for the supporting the different call between the landline to mobile, mobile to landline and mobile to mobiles call? So the right answer is electronic switching center, ESC. So option number A is the correct. In an electronic switching center, ESC, the transmission rate of X.25 protocol is dash 9.6 kbps. So the right answer is greater than. So friends, ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि सारे स्टूडेंट तक ये वीडियो पहुँचे और उनके एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल हो। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।